Hello students, today we will do some word problems of comparison, addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let's start question number 1. Question number 1 is Reenu got 2/7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4/5 part of it. Who got larger part and by how much? Here the question is who got larger part of the apple. Whether Reenu got the larger part or Sonal got the larger part of the apple. So we have to compare between these two. The comparison sums we have already done. Just the extra thing is that we have to write the statement lines in the word problem. So now let's start the solution. Reenu got apple equals to 2/7 part and Sonal got apple. Sonal got apple equals to 4/5 part. 4/5 part. Now we have to compare between these two. So here we are writing the names. Reenu's part and Sonal's part. Now make box between them. Now Reenu's part is 2/7 and Sonal's part is 4/5. Now these are unlike fractions. Take the LCM. By the same process, the greater number between 7 and 5 is 7. Then we have to speak out the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, not divisible by 5. 7 twos are 14, not divisible by 5. 7 threes are 21, not divisible by 5. 7 fours are 28, not divisible by 5. 7 fives are 35, that is divisible by 5. And of course it is divisible by 7. So 7 fives are 35 is the LCM. Now 7 fives are 35 and 5 will be multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10. Now 5 sevens are 35 and 7 will be multiplied by 4. 7 fours are 28. Now we will separate these numbers. 10/35 and 28/35. Now which one is greater one between these two? 28/35 is greater. So whose part it is? It is Sonal's part. So Sonal got larger part of the apple. Sonal got larger part of apple. And by how much? So we will subtract the smaller part from the larger part. So smaller part is 2/7 and of course larger part is 4/5, that is Sonal's part. So we will subtract 4/5 minus 2/7. Now again these are unlike fractions. Take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35 only. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 multiplied by 4. 7 fours are 28 minus 7 fives are 35. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10. Then 28 minus 10 is 18/35 part. So this is our answer. Sonal got larger part of the apple by 18/35 part. So this will be our answer. So this was the comparison word problem. Now we will do the next word problem. Now question number 2. Sarita bought 5 3/4 kg potatoes and 3 1/2 kg tomatoes from a vendor. What is the total weight of vegetables bought by her? So here all of you know we have to find out total weight. Total weight means we have to find out the weight of potatoes and weight of tomatoes together. Together means we have to add them their weights. So we will write the statement lines. Sarita bought potatoes equals to 5 3/4 kg. 5 3/4 kg. And tomatoes equals to 3 1/2 kg. Now what we have to find? Total weight of vegetables. So we will write here. So total weight of vegetables bought by her equals to 5 3/4 kg and plus 3 1/2 kg. Now both of the numbers are in mixed fraction. We will convert it first in improper fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23/4 kg. Plus 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1, 7/2 kg. Here these are unlike fractions, so we will take the LCM. Now the LCM 4. Now 4 ones are 4 and 1 will be multiplied by 23. 23 ones are 23. Plus 2 2s are 4 and 2 will be multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 14. Now add them up. 4 and 3 7. 2 and 1 3/4. 37/4. So this is improper fraction. We will convert this in mixed fraction. Now verbally we can do this, and by division also we can do this. Now 4 9s are 36. So 9 we will write here, and 37 minus 36, one remainder that we will write at the place of numerator, and 4. Here 4 9s are 36 minus 1. So from right side to left side we will go. 9 1/4. 1/4 kg. So the answer will be the total weight of vegetables bought by her is 9 1/4 kg. This is our answer. Now the next question. Question number 3 is, a picture is 7 3/5 centimeter wide. How much should it be trimmed to fit in a frame 7 3/10 centimeter wide? Here we have the width of the picture and the width of the frame, and we have to trim the picture. Trim the picture means we have to cut the picture. What is this means? Keep the width of the picture is greater than width of the frame. So we have to cut out the picture, trim the picture. So the smaller one, the width of the frame will be subtracted by width of the picture. So here we have to subtract these numbers. So first we will write the statement line. First line, width of picture. Width of picture equals to 7 3/5 centimeter. And the second line will be width of frame. Width of frame is 7 3/10 centimeter equals to 7 3/10 centimeter. Now the third line will be picture must be trimmed equals to, here the width of the picture is greater than the width of the frame because we have to cut out the picture. So 7 3 by 5 is the greater number and minus 7 3 by 10 is the smaller one. Now these are the mixed fractions. Convert it in improper. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3. 38 upon 5. Minus 7 times are 70. 70 plus 3. 73 upon 10. Now these are unlike fractions. We will take the LCM. LCM will be 10 ones are 10 divisible by 5. So 10 will be the LCM. Now 5 2s are 10 and 2 will be multiplied by 38. 38 into 2 minus 10 ones are 10 and 1 will be multiplied by 73. 73 into 1. Now 38 into 2. 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 76 minus 73 upon 10. 76 minus 73, 3 upon 10 centimeter. So the picture must be trimmed 3 upon 10 centimeter to fit in the frame. This will be our answer. Now we will start the next question. Yes, question number 4. What should be added to 7 3 by 5 to get 18? Now this type of sums you have done in chapter number 1 integers also. So here we have to find the number. What must be added to this number? So we will get 18. So let the number to be added is x. Let the number to be added is x. Now we will add x in 7 3 upon 5. Then we will get 18. Now we will make the equation according to the question. 7 3 upon 5 plus x equals to 18. We will add x to 7 3 upon 5 to get means equals to 18. Now here x will remain at the same place, 18 will remain at the same place, and this 7 3 by 5 we will take on the right hand side, means we will transpose this number. So here it is of positive, when we will take it there it will be of negative. So minus 7 3 upon 5. Now to the 18 we can write 18 upon 1. 1 we will write in the denominator and minus this we will convert in improper fraction. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3. 38 upon 5. Now again these are unlike fractions. We will take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5 only. 1 5s are 5 and 5 will be multiplied by 18. 18 5s are 90. Minus 5 1s are 5. 1 multiplied by 38 will be 38 only. Now 90 minus 38. 10 minus 8 2 and 8 minus 3 5. 52 upon 5. Now this is improper fraction. We will convert it in mixed fraction. 5 tens are 50. So 10 will be at the place of whole number and 52 minus 50 remainder 2 at the place of numerator upon 5. 10 2 upon 5. So the required number which will be added in 7 3 upon 5 is 10 2 upon 5. This will be our answer. Okay, I have given some examples and word problems in the worksheet. Just do all the examples and the word problems, and remember to write the statement lines also. Okay, thank you.